Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places to explore. Join us as we share those adventures with you.
That includes the food, the places, and the people we meet. In general, our rich culture. This is
YaadMentz. Season 2. Welcome back to another episode of YaadMentz. We're so glad you're tuning in.
Yes.
Today we're doing something really cool and really fun. Where are we at today?
We are at St. Mary Strawberry Fields together.
Yes, so you can see the lovely beach and ocean behind us.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a wonderful time today. If you want to see some more of what we're doing today,
Stay tuned.
We'll see you in a few.
Alright. Hey guys, so we are here at Strawberry Fields together. We are having so much fun. I did go into the water. Unfortunately, Devon did not go into the water.
I didn't.
So lame.
It's not lame.
But for real, I mean, the water is really nice. Even though the sky is overcast, the water is really good. It's cool, but it's a bit salty. But you can manage. It's a bit salty.
Salt water, so it's salty.
Yeah, but it's some beach kind of, the water not so salty, but the beach it's really salty. It's a really beautiful beach. Like if you come here and come chill and flex for yourself, as you see behind me, like trust me, it's a beautiful spot. Yeah.
And so the prices to come in here, if you bring food, it's 800 for adults, 400 for children. And if you don't bring food, it's 250 for children and 500 for adults. So that's the price to come here.
Right. So, I mean, what do you think about the price though?
The price is, fair. But of course, you have to have your gas money if you're coming from Kingston.
Right.
Depending on where you're coming from, you have to factor in the fact, that you have to get gas and stuff like that. Or if you're taking a bus or whatever, you have to factor in the transportation cost. But I mean, I think it's a fairly good price based on, the views, you have the beach, you have the restaurants, you have different things that you can do.
Right.
And I think it's a pretty good price for, a nice chill day.
Right. I mean, they have cabins as well, so if you want to kick over for the night, you can, rent a cabin. I don't know the price for the cabin because we just come here for the beach today.
Mm-hmm.
But you can, I think they have a website. You can go on the website, you can call them and check out for yourself, like, what the price is like to stay over a night and, come chill for the weekend or something.
A lot of people are here too, so it seems to be a pretty popular place for people to come and different fun days and trips and stuff like that. But it's a good enough space where if you and another party are here or whatever, you all can hold and have a good time.
Definitely.
The view is just excellent, it's just awesome. The water is actually a little bit rough right now because, as we said, it's overcast and it was actually raining before.
Yep.
And don't worry if it's raining because they do have shelter places where you can stay until the rain is finished.
Yeah, you will see that in the clips that we show. So, yeah, it was a nice chill day for us, right? So guys, today we again have so much fun here at Strawberry Fields together. It was amazing. The water was nice. We hope you enjoyed the episode as well, right?
We do. We hope you will tune into our next episode. And we want to remind you to subscribe, like, share, comment, and of course follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz. We will see you in the next episode.
Yes. Bye. YaadMentz Season 2.
Bye.